I love the grumpiness. The tips of Sir Charles' ears.
Oh, he does have tips that flip. Is this part Maine Coon, I wonder? Yeah.
Unfortunately, that was just Moko-chan's 200 sneeze.
Oh my god. 200?
I did it for the cat!
Oh my god, sneezing. Do you know?
Sneeze 200!
Oh my goodness. Ooh, 200. You've been counting how many sneezes?
The ruffians have been counting.
Dedication. Wow, you really know what you're doing.
Oh my!
I know.
It's all about the butt.
He just loves butts. Right,
my
here we
lord.
go. I go for a lucky space. How many is that? 7. Could go for a lucky space with 7.
I was gonna lose it. I was gonna go insane. I was really gonna lose my mind.
Yeah!
Bless you.
Bless
Bless you.
Deserve
That was a
it,
space
Kelly.
very
It's for the
close, though.
kitties.
Yeah.